Today we have a Delonghi E680 that was brought to us because it was having issues with some leaking from the bottom. The owner told us that they brought it home, filled the tank up with water, and immediately started leaking from the bottom. So what it ended up being was the tubing that attaches directly to the water pump. It had a cut in it, so we just cut that bit off, replugged it, and should be working good as new now. So let's pull a shot and see how it looks. Looking very nice. Nice coloring. Ground might be a bit too fine, but nonetheless, looks like a good amount of pressure going through from us there. And yeah, that'll do it for this one. So if you like our videos and want to see more, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Take care.